We are pleased to show you the 2019 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Come take a test drive today.